We have Cosmos, symbol Atom, actually. A little bit confusing for Elsa right there. She'll have to do that video later, but ATOM versus the dollar, being requested by Mr. Chris DeLisa. General overview right here, of which I believe we did one last week, and we did say that this one setting up for a nice little breakout above about 23, or actually 22.5 to 23 bucks right there, and then a measure, and then a move implied all the way up to about 26. In fact, this one got a little bit higher than there, towards 26.5. For right now, very, 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 very good, obviously, on the daily. And I imagine this sets up for a weekly as well. I really like the setup right here. Hidden bullish evidence on daily RSI in the bullish control zone. I think that's already played out. However, what I look for now is I look for BBWP to continue to expand. It is above 50 percentile, so I look at this as volatility expansion alongside trend, obviously continuing here as well. And the daily jewel is given a nice little continuation signal as well. Short-term time frames on the 4 hour. This trend line right here is not going to be relevant towards that. You know, could we play a pullback down to about what is this, about 21 bucks or so? Yes, but ultimately I would not be too concerned about this thing as long as you're above 21 bucks. Even if you want to go buy the book, I'd even say about 22 bucks in this case. It looks like a nice little sideways and up after this, if you want to call this a cup and handle right here. I mean, it does kind of fit the bill, to be fair, although I'm not a humongous fan of those patterns. More importantly though, I don't really have anything bearish to say about it or anything trappy to say about it as long as it's above about 22 bucks. Below there, yeah, I'd look for another pullback down to, I don't know, probably somewhere around about 20 to 20 and a half. But right now, this is obviously good. Let's go to the weekly and see what this one's looking like over here. Yeah, that's not a bearish setup right there. Again, weekly RSI reaching for the bullish control zone. I'd like to see it close in there on Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. If that happens, I would be looking for this one to, at the very least, retest all-time highs in September, maybe even make new all-time highs in September. Very, 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 very good right here. Let's see what the monthly looks like. Yeah, the monthly tells a story, and this one did close on new all-time highs. I suspect that this one very likely does test new all-time highs, probably this month, maybe next month if things, you know, if things do turn down on maybe Bitcoin. But as always, when it comes to coins, you know, gotta be aware of what Bitcoin's doing. I'm curious what it looks like over here. 4 hour Stokes will turn back up with any sort of a closure above 24.38. Good. 12 hour up as long as above 24.30, right around there right now. Daily will be up as long as it closes above 23 bucks. I would favor the upside right here, again, with that invalidation point in mind. Hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for Adam.